I'm just here in the master bedroom. So Fran's give the walls a rub down with some sandpaper. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a first coat of paint, just so I can identify any imperfections that might need more filling in. So yeah, so that's my job. I'm going to do that now.
Last night we started putting that coving up, so you can see that there. This wall here, by the way, is a mess. It's got a big hump in it, but I'm just going to sand it down. Yeah, so we've done the coving along there, and we've done it to that corner. And now Lorraine's just done with painting the windows, giving them a good undercoat. And you've cleaned them down with, what have you cleaned them down with?
Sugar soap.
Oh, sugar soap. So the next thing is to get the coving along there. So what I'm doing now, I'm actually on with, if you look at the window up there, it's close to the top of the window. So them windows, if you ever take them out, you've got to lift them, and you lift about 2 inches. So I've got roughly about 2 inches at the top to lift it off, but when my piece of plastic board goes on, then I'm not going to have that 2 inches anymore. So what I've got to do is cut that a little bit higher, just so I've got like about 2 inches below the coving. And I've put my laser level on, and that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to cut all out, then I'm going to cut down the sides of the windows, the reveals, to put my 9mm board on. So yeah, it's getting there. So I'm just going to crack on with this. Right, I've cut the sides out. I've done the same on that side. Didn't video it because, you know, it's a bit boring, much me do that. But what I'm doing now is I'm putting my coving up to that end, and then try and retain it then back around. But also I've got to go and get some 9mm plasterboard in the morning and then do the reveals, and then that's all it's done now. There we go, coving's up. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start caulking the tops and the bottoms, and start pulling them tacks out. Tomorrow I'll be dotting down the reveals, the windows. I don't know whether it's me, but if you look at that window, does it look like it's leaning inwards at the top? Certainly does to me. Just check that now. And yeah, look at that. Now, I've been out to the Pickle Man shirt this morning and I've got my 9mm plasterboard, and the reason I'm using 9mm is because where I put this 9mm in here, you've got the hinges. If you go any thicker, it starts bringing the wall towards the hinges. So we're going to start putting these now, and I'm going to do these with the reveals and the windows. Yeah, and then crack on with the rest. Right, I've now done this side, that side's done, so I've cut the bits off the sides. I've also put this in. What I've had to do, because I'm dabbing the foam back plasterboards, I've got to put a little sill on top. Yeah, only a small one, nothing too big. But as you can see, I've got to put a piece of wood in the back just to screw. Might be a very thin sill. But also, this wall here is kicking out this way, which is a bit of a nightmare. Every single wall that I've come across has all been, not true. And as you can see, there's a gap down the side. So I'm actually not touching this wall here to push out, so it's just the wall itself. There's nothing I can do about that. Once it's plastered and all sorts, it'll be fine. So yeah, I'm going to dot and dab this one in now, inside this wall. And again, I put that little piece of wood in, to screw my little sill on top. And that's that then. But we've also now got the thunder coming. Just there in the background now. The next day, I'm back here again. This should be finished today, to be honest with you. This is all done, that's done, all that's done, top's done. Yeah, so all the bording's done now. So all I've got to do now is just cut the edges off where I've overlapped, and also take and joint this wall and give it a quick sand, and that's done. So yeah, just got to crack on with this and start sawing these edges off here, getting these straightened up. So I'm going to jump onto this side, but what I'm not going to do is video it, because you've just seen me doing that one, and I don't think you'll see me do that one. And then I'll come back when it's been done. So let's see what I'm going to do. Just to update on what I've been up to in this bedroom again. Well, all the coving now, all the little tacks are removed, as you can see, and I've filled all the holes. So while I was up there doing that, I happened to notice that the joints on the ceilings, you could faintly see the lines, and I didn't like it. So what I'm doing is I'm going over them again, and I'm going to give them a quick sand. Doesn't need much, just you can just faintly see the signs. There's the lines. The mistake I made is, instead of using a paper, I thought I'd give the mesh a try, and it didn't work. So I will be using the mesh again. Well, yeah, the windows are all ready for plastering, the reveals. Just got to put my trim around the edge and that. And Lorraine's just got to get that bit of wallpaper off. And I'm done in here then. It's just a matter of putting the skirtings on. New architraves around that door. That glass is going to come out. We're going to clean it, get all the paint off, give it a polish, and then put that back in. But I'm also going to put new architrave around the top and do like a picture frame architrave at the top, so it looks, you know, nicer than what it looks now. So anyway, oh no. I don't know if to clean this.